Greetings, Shining Bulls and Shining Bears, and welcome to this quick update on the 63rd episode of the Crypto Astrology podcast. That was a short episode where I set out what I see for Bitcoin price through to March of 2025. And this right here is a short update on that. So the up and down move dates that I mentioned in that episode are the same. That is that I see Bitcoin starting a climb on Thursday, August 8th, when Mercury retrogrades past Venus. That's a first impulse. I then see a powerful upward movement beginning on Wednesday, August 14th, when Mars passes Devguru Jupiter in Taurus and Moon opposes them from Scorpio. Furthermore, I see an emergency Fed rates cut on that date. Taurus is the second house of liquidity, and Mars passing Jupiter means a powerful policy related move. But the price lines that I mentioned for August in that episode I'm referring to are no longer likely. And this is because Bitcoin fell below 53,485 USDT, which was a key line. Instead, a retest of 49,000 USDT is likely before August 14th. It may happen August 14th itself, with that line being the level that we bounce from. However, between the 14th and Monday, August 19th, at some point, I see a downward correction and then a new upward move starting Monday, August 19th. An example of that could be that we have climbed past 53,485 USDT, and then we retest 53,485 on that date and then bounce up from there. Next, the strongest resistance line for Bitcoin is now 55,463 USDT. That's a line set by Sun and Saturn. If Bitcoin doesn't pass 65,463 before Wednesday, August 14th, then it's likely to hit that line and then fall from there as early as the new moon of Monday, September 2nd, which happens as Sun newly in Leo opposes retrograding Shani-Dev Saturn. On the other hand, if Bitcoin passes 65,463 before Wednesday, August 14th, then it's likely to fall to 65,463 and start an upward rebound from that line at the end of the next downward retest. And that would be the bullish scenario. I will also mention that if Bitcoin falls below 49K, in that case, the next strong support lines are at 46K and then between 43 and 44K thousand USDT. However, please check the last video, the Crypto Astrology Podcast 63, where I speak on what happens in September, in October, and for the rest of this year, all the way through to March of 2025 next year. Please also subscribe to my new Telegram channel, ShiningBull, capital letters, where I will have this forecast as a pinned post, and I will be giving key future dates to watch for all types of price moves and crypto industry themes, and hopefully in the future for commodities and also proxy stocks like MSTR. You can find the channel in the description section below, and you'll also find in the description section my lovable disclaimer. The Telegram channel is a free public channel maintained by me, Maya, myself. So please do feel very welcomed and encouraged to join. Just join and then maybe give me a day to post all this on there properly, as I'm going to try to post it in a way that's easy for you to follow and refer back to. But just get on there as soon as possible. You'll see a picture, my new logo of a bull shining, it's ShiningBull. I think it's ShiningBull News is the channel, how you find it, but I'm linking it in the description below of this video, and you'll see ShiningBull in capital letters. And I will also link the previous video which forecasts Bitcoin price through to March of 2025 for your reference, and will pin these forecasts onto our Telegram channel like I mentioned. And I hope that you all stay safe in the markets and make educated choices, zooming out from the 1 day to the 1 week to the 1 month charts, for example, of any given asset, and noticing lines, horizontal lines, where price keeps coming back to consolidate at. Although I'm really personally also, by the way, fantasizing about a DeFi social media renaissance that totally replaces Twitter. That's my fantasy. For now, I do recommend that you follow me on Twitter too, especially if you are in crypto but not yet on crypto Twitter. That way you can grow your own resource base too and see more and more early social signals related to global finance. Maybe one day when I organize my Twitter, I can mention some people on crypto Twitter who I generally stay up to date on, but that may take me a while to do. One thing I mentioned on Twitter is that on August 8th, Thursday, August 8th, where I just mentioned, I see a first upward impulse for Bitcoin. It's funny because that's the date that MicroStrategy trades at its new post stock split price. So that's interesting. And another thing I just want to tell you just off the cuff is it's funny because people are mentioning this and referring to it as in relation to 2020, like March 2020 when the market dropped. But I need to tell you, this is not March 2020, this is 2008. This is 2008. So I don't want to bring back bad memories, but that is the astrological fact, is that what's happening now is in direct relationship, directly recalling 2008 financial crisis. So just wanted to inform you of that, and I will see you next week. And please do join the channel. It's free, and it's a way that I can offer info free, which is important to me to keep offering a lot of very valuable information for free. And of course I'll still be on here, obviously, but that way you'll get like a faster take on things, and I'll be able to offer a new tool that I'm going to try out that I hope will be useful for you too. And so anyway, see you next week, and thank you.